5 best work at home for introverts. Unlock the top 5 work from home jobs that combine flexibility and earning potential. Discover your perfect remote role today. So, hi guys, and welcome in this video. I'll show you step by step how you can use these 5 jobs to start earning money with it. So, the first one we have here Promos. As you can see, all I have to do is go to Google Play and then write Promos, and we have here the application. Then you start with installing this application and you sign up with it, and then you often involve in data collection and local research, which can include taking photos, answering surveys, or providing other location-based information. Once you are registered, browse the available tasks in your area and select ones that match your interests and expertise. Then complete these tasks. All you have to do is to complete it accurately and efficiently to earn money. As you typically receive payment upon task completion and review, the key to maximizing your earnings is to stay active on the platform, quickly accept and complete tasks, and consistently deliver high quality work to build a good reputation and gain access to more opportunities. And this is how it works with Promos. And let's move into the next one we have here Fairpiction. As you can see, this is the homepage of Fairpiction. So to make money on Fairpiction, all I have to do is start by sign up as a teacher on their platform. Fairpiction specializes in usability and testing and user feedback for websites and apps. Once you are registered, you'll have access to various testing opportunities where you evaluate digital products based on user experience criteria. You will complete tasks such as navigating websites or apps, providing detailed feedback on your experience, and then reporting any issues or suggestions for improvement. Payment is typically made open through the successful completion of these tests and submission of your feedback. To maximize your earnings, stay engaged with the platform, respond quickly to testing invitations, and deliver through high quality feedback to build a strong profile and increase your chances of getting more testing opportunities. So this is how it works with Fairpiction. And to know more information about it, all I have to do is scroll down and know more information before your inscription. So let's move on to the next one. We have Survey Time. So this is the homepage. So to earn money on Survey Time, all I have to do is start by signing up for an account by choosing the first one. We have here sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook. You can use also with email. You write your email address and your password, then you click over start now, and that's it. So start start with your inscription. After that, Survey Time connects users with paid surveys from various market research companies. Once registered, you will have receive notification about available surveys tailored to your demographic profile. Complete the surveys honestly and thoroughly to earn rewards. As Survey Time offers a fixed payment of $1 for each survey completed, payments are typically processed quickly, often via PayPal or gift cards, making it a straightforward way to earn money. So, to maximize your earnings, regularly check for new surveys, be prompt in responding to invitations, and ensure you meet the qualification criteria for each survey to increase your opportunities for earning. So if you want to know why should I use Survey Time, all I have to do is read this information like the first one, low withdrawal threshold and surveys for you. Never miss a new survey. Honest rebate amount. Choose your reward. Survey time is global, and other information like how it works here. Sign up for Survey Time. Tell us about yourself. Start earning cash for surveys. For each surveys complete, you get an instant money reward. And let's move to the next one. We have here PaperTrail. So this is the homepage. To earn money using PaperTrail, all I have to do is start by signing up as a freelancer on their platform, which specializes in editing and proofreading services. Once registered, you will be able to take an editing assignments where you review and refine documents, such as academic papers, business words, reports, or manuscripts to improve their clarity, coherence, and overall quality. Ensure that you have a strong grasp of grammar, style, and formatting rules to provide high-quality edits. Your earnings will depend on the number of assignments you complete and their complexity. To maximize your income, maintain a high standard of work, meet deadline, and build a positive reputation on the platform, which can lead to more and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with PeopleTrue. And let's move on to the next one. We have Metro Opinion. So all you have to do is dive into metroopinion.com. As you can see, this is the homepage, and we have first some information that we have to know more before getting started. So we have firstly paid surveys earn money online, work from home, get up to $5 for each survey, safe and easy payments. So first of all, choose your country. So you can see we have here Europe, Oceania, Africa, Asia, North America, South America, and a lot of countries. Then we have here how to earn with paid surveys and 3 easy steps. The first one, sign up, answer, and get paid. I will explain you more. So to make money on Metro Opinion, start by signing up for an account on their platform, which offers paid survey opportunities. After registration, you receive invitations to participate in surveys tailored to demographic profile. Each survey you complete will earn you money, and Metro Opinion typically provides a range of topics for various interests. To maximize your earnings, regularly check your account for new survey opportunities. Ensure you complete surveys thoroughly and honestly, and strive to meet any qualification criteria. Additionally, maintaining an active profile and promptly responding to invitations can help you secure more surveys and consequently increase your overall earnings. So this is how it works with Metro Opinion. As you can see, then we have a various information here. You can just read it to more understand about Metro Opinion. So let's move on to the next one. We have Appen. So to make money on Appen, all you have to do is begin by signing up and creating a profile on their platform, which specializes in micro tasks and flexible work opportunities related to artificial intelligence and data. So after registration, you will have access to various projects such as data annotation, transcription, and search engine evaluation. To maximize your earnings, select tasks that align with your skills and interests and complete them accurately and efficiently. So Appen offers flexible working hours so you can work around your schedule and take on multiple tasks to increase your income. Staying active and maintaining a good performance record can also lead to more job opportunities and higher paying assignments over time. So this is how it works with Appen also, and this is how you can earn money using these websites. Appen, Metro Opinion, PeopleTrue, Survey Time, and Perfection, and the last one is Promos. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.